Yo mga ka-Beyblade! This is Reg, aka Lorem Ipsum, and this is our Beyblade couple first episode.
Unbox tayo.
Introducing the Beyblade X UX4 Battle Entry Set U, a complete starter set perfect for new and returning Beybladers. This set includes two special edition Beyblades. First up, we have a Dranbuster 160 Axel or Accelerate, an aggressive attack type with a solid forward momentum and knockout potential. Next, Wizard Rod 570 Disc Ball, a high tier stamina type considered already as a Hall of Famer, built to outspin opponents with its balanced weight and defense stamina core. The set also comes with official Beyblade X Stadium designed for fast-paced extreme gear sports battle, giving you those iconic wall rebounds and high-speed collisions. You also get two ripcord launchers, perfect for starters or casuals 1v1 battles with friends. No batteries needed, just pure skill and launch control. And of course, everything is ready to go out of the box, from the instruction manuals, sticker sheets, customizing your blades, everything is just there. This Battle Entry Set U is perfect for you're just getting into Beyblade X, or you want a strong duo right from the start, fast, fun, and fierce. So guys, yun na yun, time-lapse of unboxing. Sorry, time-lapse na lang natin kasi ang habol namin dito is yung Beyblades and Arena. So, since ngayon, na-unbox na namin at na-assemble na namin. So, pakita namin sa inyo. Wag muna to. Ito muna from the box. Cover ko daw yung mukha ko para makita. So, ayan. That's the Dranbuster. Dranbuster 160. Yeah, 160 special version attack. Hindi ko alam. Yeah. So, yeah. 160 attack type. Hindi ko alam bakit may A, B, or C to siya. And then, sa itong isa, kay Mrs. na favorite niya, is Wizard Rod. Yeah, Wizard Rod 570 DB Special. So, popost kami ng picture. So, ito, hindi ko alam. Basta dyan, picture. So, ito yung picture ng difference between the special version and non-special version sa out straight of the separate box na benta. So yeah, yan, dyan, basta dyan. And then out of the box kasama ang dalawang ripcord launcher. Hindi pa namin binuksan, with a color accent, white black accent, pure black yellow accent, and dalawang ripcord. Hindi pa namin inopen, yellow and black. Preserve lang muna namin to kasi gusto namin gagamitin yung sarili naming first ripcord launchers namin. Kung masira na yun sila, doon na namin to gagamitin. And from the box, kasali na din yung Arena. Sorry, Arena. So, yan. Eto, hindi pa namin in-unbox din. Matanda na kami, so bukas na kami mag-test launch. Edit na lang sa edit. Post-edit. Yun, nagalaw yung ilaw. First impression siguro for us is yung build ng Dran. Kung sa anime, nanood kayo ng anime, ito yung ginagamit ng bida, Dranbuster. So yung pointy edge niya talaga yung tiga-biak. While si Wizard Rod, paborito ni Mrs. Stamina. Sa common, currently sa Japan Beyblade community or mismo sa organization of the Beyblade X, consider na po to as the Hall of Famer. So lahat ng mga champions, or actually most of the players may line up talaga for Wizard. Yung build ko typically nito, yung prefer ko is 160 Hexa kasi gusto ko yung Wizard parang si Mashel, yung nununtok. Tapos si Mrs. The typical champion belt, Char. Yung 960 ball. Free ball or ball? So, yun yung build niya. Ano yung opinion mo?
Actually, hinatry ko na yung Hexa.
Na-try na din pala niya yung Hexa.
Try ko yung Hexa. May advantage talaga kung may konting attack type compared to ball lang lahat.
Yeah. Definitely meron talaga. Kasi pag umiikot sila, may before, yung sa experience namin, pag may 160 talaga tapos naka-Hexa, pipitik talaga siya, parang naging attack blade siya. So yeah, so what's next? So we'll add a few clips lang of the effect ng built-in nito, stock build ng out of the box. First, ready to form. Players ready. 3, 2, 1, go! 3-0. Players ready. 3, 2, 1, go!
Ay, wala na kayo.
Bye!
Okay na. Wala na pala kayo.
Okay lang.
Okay lang.
Ako ay butang. Wala daw niya na-check ang pin.
Ayaw,
Okay na.
Hindi na ako.
Api lang para sa school.
Ang lock sa tuloy.
Okay. Leaders ready. 3, 2, 1, go!
Grandbuster for the win.
Swap. Swap round. Leaders ready. Sige.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go!
Very burstable.
Very burstable. Leaders ready. 2-0. 3, 2, 1, go!
Nauna ako, Kuan.
Nauna daw siya.
Nauna ako pocket.
Guys, nauna daw siya pocket, guys. Sabi niya. Kaya lang, bias talaga siya pa sa leader grad. 3, 2, 1, go!
Good, nanalo. 1 point. Details na ko pa.
1 point. Para kay Wizard. Leaders ready. 3, 2, 1, go! Leaders ready. 3, 2, 1, go! That's one. Leaders ready. 3, 2, 1, go!
So guys, huwag magamit nitong bit. Very versatile.
Kung gusto nyo ng test part variation, siguro we'll make a video sa experimental Fridays namin sa locals. Na-champion na to sa experimental
UIG. Fridays.
Yeah, so yung 35G below na mga weight na Beyblade parts tsaka we're not using ito kasi Hall of Famer so hindi masyado. So we'll do a quick battle na lang.
Yeah.
And then
So, kung gusto niyo ng combo guide or match test, just comment down below.
So, don't forget to like and subscribe. And 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Until the next episode. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Good night. Laro pa tayo bukas. Good night. Ako na.
Mag-thumbnail pa tayo.